Click on the link below to get price. The MY2 Electric Bike for adults is an impressive blend of power, functionality, and style, ideal for both commuting and recreational riding. With its robust 1500W peak motor, this bike delivers exceptional acceleration and speed, making it a thrilling option for those who crave adventure. The motor is powerful enough to tackle steep hills and rough terrains, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the conditions. I found myself effortlessly climbing inclines that would have been challenging on a standard bike, making my rides both enjoyable and exhilarating. One of the standout features of the MY2 is its 48V 15AH removable battery. This battery provides an impressive range, allowing for extended rides without the worry of running out of power. Recharging is straightforward, and the ability to remove the battery means you can charge it conveniently at home or take it with you. I often found myself riding for over 40 miles on a single charge, which significantly enhances the bike's usability for longer trips or commutes. The bike's frame is sturdy yet lightweight, crafted from high-quality materials that ensure durability without compromising on agility. The design is sleek and modern, appealing to a wide range of riders. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to various heights, ensuring comfort during longer rides. Additionally, the inclusion of front and rear disc brakes provides reliable stopping power, enhancing overall safety. The MY2 Electric Bike also features a user-friendly LCD display that shows essential information like speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This added technology keeps riders informed, allowing them to manage their rides effectively. In conclusion, the MY2 Electric Bike for adults is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a reliable and powerful electric bike. Its combination of a high-performance motor, long-lasting battery, and comfortable design makes it perfect for both everyday use and adventurous outings. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the great outdoors, this bike offers a versatile and enjoyable riding experience.